Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 320 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Let It Settle, a moment to let everything inside you calm down naturally. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Think of all the thoughts, emotions, and worries you've been holding. Imagine them gently settling, like stirred water becoming clear again when left untouched. You don't have to fix anything in this moment. You don't have to sort every feeling. Just let everything inside you settle on its own. Now, say to yourself, I let things settle. I create space for clarity, and I allow calm to return. Feel your breath smoothing out. Feel your body loosening, even by a small amount. Notice how quiet arrives when you stop trying to force it. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of quietness with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.